Hi, my name's Stacy Butcher, and I want to cordially invite you to my upcoming open floor movement workshop called Strong Back, Soft Front, Wild Heart in October here in Asheville, North Carolina. We are living in such tender and turbulent times right now. The world feels fast and fractured and uncertain, and many of us are doing our best just to get through the day. So, in the midst of all this, how do we stay connected to what matters? Right? How do we keep our hearts open without collapsing? How do we stay rooted in our bodies when everything around us feels so out of balance? Well, Strong Back, Soft Front, Wild Heart is a weekend workshop where we will return to the body. We'll step onto the dance floor and explore what it means to live with resilience. Not the armored kind, but the kind that holds you steady and keeps you soft and helps you stay real. Through guided movement, somatic awareness, and shared exploration, we'll practice what it means to stand tall in a strong back, even when things are uncertain, to stay open with a soft front, even when vulnerability feels risky, and to live with a wild heart, the part of you that remembers how to feel fully, to love fiercely, to rage, to rest, and begin again. We'll meet ourselves honestly in grief, in joy, in curiosity, and we'll do it together. You don't need experience. You don't need to get it right. You just need your body, your breath, and a willingness to show up. If you're longing to reconnect with yourself, with others, or just to your aliveness, I hope you'll join us for Strong Back, Soft Front, Wild Heart, October 24th through 26th in beautiful Asheville, North Carolina. In fact, the fall is the most beautiful time to be here. And make sure to register soon so you can take advantage of the early bird discount. You can visit stacybutcher.com, that's STACEYBUTCHER.com for more info and to register. I'll also post a link below for you to go to. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you can join us.